Hi guys, welcome to Disney Heart. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new Barbie that's new to me. I saw a YouTuber unbox this and I just happened to be just browsing Amazon. I happened to find it, and to be honest, I think I found it before I saw his video, and then I went back to Amazon and I went ahead and I purchased it. But this is a Barbie from Mermaid. Hi. And this is what the back looks like, and I love how the back looks with all the mermaids. So stunning. And then you have, these are all the friends. You have Finley right here, Sierra right there, Oceanna, who I have right now, and we have Mary. Now, I know in a way this is similar to the mermaids. I didn't care for that line, but when I saw Jessica's Dollhouse unbox that, I fell in love and I said, you know what, let me go ahead and purchase me some. I should have, at that point, I should have just got one just to see how I like it, but I ended up getting the whole set and I was very unhappy because I didn't care for it. And so I said, you know what, I was very kind of apprehensive to even get this because literally it is similar to the mermaids or the mermaid. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'm saying it completely wrong. But since I was discussing Jessica's Dollhouse, I will link her video in the description. I'm sorry, her channel in the description bar below. Definitely check her out. Her channel is amazing. And I forgot the other YouTuber of who I saw unbox this, but I will link his channel in the description bar below as well. His channel is very awesome. I like watching a lot of doll content because I learn new things, you know, and I just love it. So yes, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox her. All right, now I saw him try to unbox her and he had the hardest time. He was like, okay, I stand corrected, I can't he did not even know how to open it. And I will say that's the one thing about these dolls and Barbies and stuff like that. It is so hard getting them out of the package. I mean, you don't want to get the Barbie when it's, you know, open or anything, but at the same time, it's just, I mean, it's a good thing because they have them in here tight where nothing is going to happen where they, you know, mess up or anything. But damn it. I just painted my nails and I filmed a previous video and I ended up messing up my nails and I just messed up another nail. Oh my god. Like, I said I was getting fake nails and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm getting fake nails so that at least I wouldn't have to worry about it messing up with the nail polish and all of that. And I will say, in previous videos, I'm going to work with my husband tonight and I am going to be pre-filming. So if you happen to see videos and my nails look toe up, that's why I didn't let my nails dry long enough. And I wanted to go ahead and get all these videos done and show you guys all of my toys and goodies and stuff because I'm going out of town. I'm going on vacation #1 next week and I got to get a lot of this stuff done. So I waited long enough. And just like Chad, that's his name, Chad. I can't open this either. Like, oh my, wow. Okay. But yeah, I don't. And it's easy to hurt yourself opening up these boxes too. Very easy. I should have got my bigger scissors. I don't know why I didn't. As soon as I can get this done, well, halfway open, I will show you guys what I'm drinking. Which is the same thing that I was drinking in my previous video. Almost got it. Hopefully. At least I think. Oh my goodness. See, if I really wanted to say the artwork on this, I probably can't because I butchered the whole box. Oh, Lordy. I just hope I don't... Okay, good. Oh, my God, I'm so tired of this. Oh, Lordy. Okay. I don't feel like getting up to get my other scissors. So, y'all's gonna have to see me struggle opening up this. But I will bring both sets of scissors tonight. So oh my God. So this is where I am. Yeah, this box, and not only that, because I also have arthritis, so I can't just rip it open like that like some people can. Okay. All right, guys. You know what? No, I can't get it out like that. Oh my goodness. I really do not want to cut myself. Oh my goodness. I refuse. I'm not getting up to get other scissors. I don't feel like getting up. I'm so lazy. And besides, my arthritis is messing with me right now, so it hurts to get up right now. That's another reason why. Oh my God. Okay, I think I got an idea. Might be able to. Okay. Make sure I didn't cut myself. Finally! Okay. Hold on, let me get the other stuff out. Okay. Whew. Finally. Oh my God. That was a mess. That was a trip. And in doing that, yeah, all my nails are messed up. But the drink that I'm drinking is my volcano water. I'm just outdone. That thing wore me out. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here she is. And I will go ahead and get her out. Now she might be a little easier to come out. And I like the colors of her tail and stuff. So I want to see how she how she is a quality and stuff, if I like her. Because see, when I saw Chad unbox this, he mentioned that this one is a lot better than the other ones, I believe. I will link that video of him actually unboxing this in the description. Okay. Her hair is so nice. It feels so good. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, you know what I like about this one? They do, well, they probably did, I just didn't. Because usually they put them, they have them stuck. I think those are the rainbow high ones. Now the rooting, okay. Okay. So here she is. Okay. And then you have her tail here, or fin. And here's her hair. It's nice and long, which I like it. Now the rooting of her hair, I guess I should say the rooting is actually kind of nice. You don't like really see a lot of the roots like that, but I'm gonna cut this little thing off. Yeah, that's the only thing about these Barbies I don't like is you gotta look at the rooting, see if that's good. But I don't like when they put, you know, things like this, right, in their scalp, in their root and stuff. All right. Then of course she has her headphones on. Now I will say I kind of agree with Chad because this looked more so of an Americanized Barbie and all of that. The reason why I say this is because this does look like she's wearing like a little swim type tracksuit, right? Or top. And then here with, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I'm still trying to gather my thoughts on how I like this doll line. This is the Mermaid High doll line, but I don't know. I'm gonna take this off of her. Okay, hold on. Ooh. And that's another thing. I don't like the fact that it's just in her hair like that. Oh, it comes out. Okay. I do plan on doing her hair. But yeah, so I took the headband off. But I do like the fact that she has that. So this is nice. I do love her hair. Like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I do love it. I love playing with doll hair. I really do. Okay, so let's see how flexible and her correlation is. Of course, I should know since I saw the unboxing. But okay, so she sits like that. Okay, so she bends her knees, but is she... Okay, I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to break it, but... Okay. There we go. She can do her knee just like that, but not too far back. Okay. Cool. Alright. She's pretty cool. Now, oh, sorry. And this is the back right here. So, okay, so I guess she's like an Americanized Barbie, Mermaid Barbie. But the things that she came with a comb here. And she also came with, she also came with other things too, but hold on. Oh my God, okay. So she also came with this shell. Now, I think I saw she had to put in water or whatever, but then there's another way to open it. And, and I had to have my bottled water and I have a cup. But you know what? This is a shell and it does have a little prize in it. But, yeah. I'm not going to put in water right now. Like I said, if my husband can get out the shower, then I'll have him fix me a cup of water so I can show you guys what's in there. If not, then I'll just make a separate video. And then we also have her little duffel bag that she could bring with her. Doesn't open or anything, but it has like a little fake zipper, but this is so cute. And then she has some sunglasses. There we go. I mean, it is nice. Okay, let's see how she will look in them. Okay, look at her. Look, shoot, okay. And then she has her bag, so let's give her her bag. Hold on, she got a lot of hair. Okay. All right, so. All right, let's see, look at her. She's trying to travel in style. But hold on, let me see how. Let's see if we can put this up all the way. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at her. She's almost ready. Almost. And also, her tail comes down and I can dress her as a human. But, child, look at her. Okay. And I'll show you what everything else she has in here. So she has this skirt. Now what I'm gonna do, I might give this to one of my other Barbies. But yeah, that's hers. And one last thing that she came with in here. I have so many Barbie shoes. Okay. Okay, and here are her shoes. Oopsie. There we go. Okay, so those are her shoes. Now, she also came with this. She came with her Mermaid High student ID. I think that's awesome. You're gonna come with an ID, okay? And this is a little bit about her. This is the back of the card right here with her and her friends. And this is the card. So if you wanna pause me to read it, feel free. For Oceanna. Her mer style, she's a sporty chick. Her favorite school subject is science. That's my stepson's favorite subject, or one of them. And my husband's, science. Favorite food, fin in out. Pet, my dolphin, Ren, Stefani. Okay. Mer power, super speed. Favorite color, ocean blue. And then for the ocean catchphrase, it's let's catch a wave. So this is her ID right here. Hey, babe. So she is all set with her glasses on and her bag fell. Babe, can you fix me a cup of water? I'm trying to do something. Even her thing fell, but I swear she looked good with these glasses, honey. Looks so good. Yes. Oh yeah. I like her. Yeah. It doesn't have to have ice in it. So guys, my husband's fixing me a water so I can put this shell in so I can show you guys the hidden thing. Yeah, I said a cup of water, babe. I have my volcano water right here. So yes. So once I show you guys this, hopefully, because like I said, in Chad's video, I thought there was like a button here all along he could open, but I guess not. I guess you got to put in water to still have that. So yes. All right. So I got my water. Then we're gonna just drop it. I think it has to be travel to the bottom. I guess. I wonder if it'll go to the bottom by itself. Oh, it is. It's going to the bottom by itself. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't think I have to. That's so cute, guys. Like, look at that. Wait a minute. And it's supposed to open by itself while it's in there. I think it's going down. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, and then went all the way down. Okay. Ah. That was so awesome, guys. That was awesome. It actually opened up. Okay. So this is her little laptop right here, and it's showing Oceanna talking via FaceTime with one of her girlfriends. I forgot which one that one is. Oceanna and Shelby. So they are talking and communicating, but let me show you this. It came with this, so let's see what's in here. Okay. Huh. So I might give this to one of my other Barbies. So this is supposed to be a necklace. Right here. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give it to her. I'm gonna see how it looks with her. And put that on her. Ah, there we go. It's like a little choke. Oh, she is, yes. So it's like a little choker. But yes, oh my goodness, that was awesome, guys. The fact that it opened and I had, that's awesome. I like it. Ah, wow.
Am I gonna be in the shot if I go in the room?
No.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Bye.
Yes, baby. Okay, so, so if I want to open it, I just have to just push. So push and then bam. That is awesome. You know what? Just because of that, I might invest in some Mermaid High. You know, I'm gonna do a little bit more research, but I think it's like another version of Rainbow High, but just with mermaids. So I like that. This is nice. I mean, I like the stuff that it comes with. Comes with a laptop. You got your school ID. So now I understand now the exact type of mermaid outfit she has on, because maybe she's training to be a mermaid. Ah, maybe that's it. And I think if my mind serves me right, I'm not sure if there's a series out called Mermaid High. If you guys are familiar with Mermaid High, let me know in the comments below, because I'm not sure. So, but yeah, I'm sold. And now that I've actually have really, you know, yeah, I think the Mermaid High is pretty much for regular girls who are training to be mermaids, which is why she has something like this on, and then why her tail was looking how it was looking. Because I was trying to understand and get it, because I understood what Chad was saying in his video. Like I said, I would link his unboxing to Unboxing Oceanna in the description bar below, along with his actual channel. But now that I've gotten a chance to unbox it myself and see everything, I think now I'm kind of understanding. So yes, I do plan on getting the whole collection in this line of Mermaid High dolls. I'm sold. I love it. So, but yes, and she looked good with her glasses and her bag, even though it didn't stay on her. But yes, so yeah, she's coming with me on vacation. I think she's gonna come with me on all my vacations, and I'm gonna bring her with me tonight when I go to work with my hubby. So, but yes, guys, I hope you guys like my unboxing and my video. If so, give me a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to, as well as clicking on that bell right next to subscribe. That'll give you guys all the notifications of all the updated videos that I upload and post. I do new content every Friday and Saturday, and sometimes I also do new videos other days as well, depending on how I feel or what's going on. So, and happy Pride Month, guys. So with that being said, guys, happy Disney's. Bye.